Internationalism. The internationalism or international relations. Today we will discuss about the topic. The topic is the international relations. So international relations is a very vast matter. And first of all we have to understood about what is the basic ideas of the international ideas and the international relations. So, international relations means first of all we have to focus on our home and yes, the neighbor's home. If we have stayed in a particular home, that is called that this is my home, and surrounding homes are called the neighbor's homes. Okay, and whatever the relation with me to the neighbor's home, that is to call the international relations and the neighbor's relations. So yes, whatever we are using according our neighbors relations, that is to call the international relations as a very basic level. So have a look on a picture that we have to discuss about the international relations. This is the picture of we have to understood about the international relations. What is that? Suppose you think this is the my state. This is the my house. Okay, first of all we have to clear up with these ideas according the house conceptions. Then we have to focus on the international relations. So this is the my house. Okay, so this my house having some kind of a neighbor's house. So definitely whatever the my house relation with the neighbor's house and definitely the neighbor's house relation with the my house, this is to call the neighbor's relations. So all of them I just draw this connection that yes, we have to say okay, these relations are called the neighbors relations, because if it is the my house, so my house relations with the others means the our neighbor state relations or the neighbor house relations is called the neighbors relations. So like that we have to say what is the international relations. Now you are thinking according your my house that you just thinking of it that my state. So if we are calling this is my state and this is the another state. So yes, my state continuously related with the other state. As I told that my house is related with the other's house, similarly my state continuously related with the other state. These relations means whatever the relation regarding my state to the other state, that is to call the international relations. So what is the international relations? Whatever the national relations is comes into the inter means the between, inter means the linkage, inter means the linkage, the connections. Okay, so when the nation is getting connected with the another nation, that relation is called the international. So if we have to say okay, international means international equals to nation plus nation plus nation. So when the nation gets linked with the other nation, this other nations is linked with the another nations, that relation we call equals to international relations. Okay, so international relations is divided into so many nations relations. So nations, then nations, then nations, they get in a kind of a relations. This relation is called the international relations. As I have discussed with you that the my state is continuously relating with the other states and other states continuously relating with the my state and my state related with the another state, that whole relation is called the international relations, because of this is the one state, this is another state, this is another state, this is another state. That's why nation plus nation plus nation equals to international relations. So international relations means when the nation is getting related with the other nations and other nation is getting with relation with the other nations, that is to call the international relations. So international relation is a basic ideas, that is so many nations when they are getting a relation with each other, whatever the cause is, it may be economic, it may be trading, it may be social, it may be cultural, it may be political. So whatever the cause is behind that, this relation, this connection, we have to say international relation.